मैम हियर मैम
पीछे से क्लियर यार।
मैम सामने।
अरे दादा एक मिनट मैम एक मिनट
मैम स्टेडियम। अरे दादा
मैम ये लेफ्ट
सेंटर
साइड
सेंटर।
मैम ये लेफ्ट साइड
स्टेडियम मैम सामने एकदम मैम सामने।
मैम ये लेफ्ट साइड
काजल मैम स्ट्रेट। काजल जी स्ट्रेट।
Ma'am, your left side.
मैम हियर मैम
स्ट्रेट।
मैम जस्ट होल्ड स्टेडियम मैम।
अरे 41 बोला रे।
मैम हियर
काजल जी यहाँ पे।
मैम सामने आगे मैम राइट। काजल जी यहाँ पे राइट। मैम स्टेडियम। यो
Ma'am, your left side.
मैम हियर मैम
काजल जी स्ट्रेट।
Ma'am, your left side.
मैम लेफ्ट साइड
मैम जस्ट होल्ड एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
आई तो आई।
काजल जी क्या बोल रही है? काजल मैम यहाँ पे मैम सामने। मैम ये मैम
मैम हियर मैम
मैम जस्ट होल्ड
मैम
मैम काजल जी यहाँ पे बाजू ना काजल यहाँ आएगा कब? काजल मैम यहाँ पे काजल जी यहाँ पे
काजल मैम।
यहाँ पे
काजल जी यहाँ पे।
काजल मैम आपके राइट में काजल जी यहाँ पे मैम जस्ट
काजल मैम।
मैम हियर मैम मैम हियर
Okay? Okay, thank you. Where?
मैडम को लेके चलो। मैडम को लेके चलो। चलो भाई।
चलो आप सामने बस ना किसान रोल कर रहा है
बीच में मत आना। अरे यार तू अरे तू साइड
वो दादा साइड
साइड
छी यार
One picture with this mannequin, please.
Why with a mannequin? Such a bad putla. Take it or no?
ये ना यार
ये लाइट बंद कर लाइट में
मैम हियर मैम हियर
काजल 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 स्ट्रेट। काजल स्ट्रेट। काजल स्ट्रेट।
काजल मैम वन गो हियर काजल मैम लेफ्ट लेफ्ट
मैम
लेफ्ट
हियर
काजल मैम लेफ्ट लेफ्ट
एक्सक्यूज मैम हियर मैम
काजल स्ट्रेट।
वन गो सीट
काजल स्ट्रेट।
Now your right side. Okay? Got it?
हेलो भाई
And now to tell you all a little bit more about the Kajal Agarwal official application.
Firstly, hi guys. Thank you so much for coming, all of you. It's a great honor to be sitting here and launching my app and interacting with all of you on behalf of EscapeX as well as me. And well, I am really excited about this app. I believe that it's very important as actors to want to communicate, to have some sort of direct communication with our audience. And of course, social media makes that possible. But there are some people like me, for example. I am not very good when it comes to social media. I cannot quite keep updating about my life. And I get really hassled with so many mediums of social media. Like there is Instagram, there's Twitter, now there's Snapchat. There are like so many things all the time. And it just gets so difficult to sit and put posts on each and everything. And with this particular app, it's truly sorting me out. It's making my life easier because I can just, by the click of a button, everything gets updated. People know that it's authentic, verified information directly from me. And it's interactive, so I can communicate to and fro with people. And yeah, I mean, it's the best way, in my opinion, where all my social media is integrated. And I can just directly put up a post, and I'm 100% sure that people who genuinely want to know about me and my life and my whereabouts can find out. And of course, now why did I tie up with EscapeX? EscapeX is a US-based company. Now they, of course, they do a lot of gaming as well as apps for a lot of celebrities all over the world. And I haven't found any other company more authentic, more giving more personalized attention, and being so forthcoming with their approach, with their ideas, and as well as being so excited. I mean, of course, I would be excited because it's my app. But trust me, the team of EscapeX is equally, if not more excited about this than I am, which is very helpful because as all of you know, we are perpetually traveling, we're always out and about, and it gets really difficult to actually follow up with these kind of things and do these kind of things. So the team of EscapeX is really strong. I have great support in them, and they monitor things for me, they ensure security of the app, which is extremely important in today's day and age. And yeah, we just know that it is a very verified, authentic ground to be interacting with people. That's about it.
So what you really see is superstar technology actually meeting the superstar here. So that's what the app is about. And just to tell you this, there is live function in the app where you can do live, which is the latest technology. And we're moving on to something which is called the user-generated content in some time, where Kajal will be able to build a massive community within her app with all her followers. So yes, like I said, please log in, download the app, and stay connected with Kajal.
So if there's Google for everyone, there are these apps where everything it's like my own private little Google, where everything comes together. I think that's really cool, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it. Do we have any questions?
I think on that note, I would like to thank all of you all for joining us here today. It's like I mentioned before, it's a very, very special day because there's something very unique, very innovative which has been launched, and we're very, very happy that we have somebody as beautiful, somebody, a sparkling star like Kajal who's associated with us. So on that note, I'm going to thank you all once again for joining us here today.
Question?
Okay. So we're going to take the one-on-ones on the stage.
Bye.